The DCM1E is an analog 8-input, 8-zone mixer featuring a versatile, simple-to-use digital control interface. 8 stereo unbalanced line inputs allow any music source to be routed into any zone, whilst 4 balanced remote input ports allow remote plates to be connected, providing any zone with local input options. 4 remote mic input plates can also be connected, providing assignable remote mic inputs alongside single or multi-zone paging. Balanced line level outputs, with 2 in stereo, then provide up to 8 individually controlled zones, all controlled via the front panel or Cloud CDR1 remote controllers. Now, with the addition of an inbuilt Ethernet web server, when connected to a wireless router, the new DCM1E can be configured and controlled remotely by any mobile device or PC. Once connected, go to the Cloud web page, then to the DCM1 product page and download the latest version of the Cloud Ethernet Discovery tool. Type the IP address into your device and you're good to go. The music menu provides level and line input for each zone, as well as a 3-band EQ. Once the individual zones have been set, zones may be assigned in any combination into 4 groups. Grouping is ideal when partitions are used and allows 2 or more zones with individual inputs and microphone configurations to be combined into a single area at the touch of a button. Both line and mic inputs can be set for each zone, effectively limiting the input options as desired. The config screen gives full configuration of the control panel and is split into 8 sub-panels. Security has 3 settings: User for everyday site control, Power for more advanced management options, and Installer, allowing the system to be set up and left with the appropriate client controls enabled. Zone access can be limited for areas that are fixed and should not be altered. A full labelling screen allows all inputs, zones, and groups to be labelled accordingly. With input status showing extension port and mic input connections, whilst paging access to individual zones or groups can be set alongside triggering message groups from the PMSA range. Network info contains IP address and connection details. Device info shows build and firmware versions. And a full pin change access facility is also included. The new DCM1E from Cloud Electronics, now with mobile control.